Meghalaya Cabinet today approved the Meghalaya Right to Public Service Bill 2020. This was disclosed by Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma after the Cabinet meeting at the main secretariat in Shillong. Talking to the media, the Chief Minister said the bill will be tabled in the State Assembly. The aim of the bill is to ensure specific timeline and time frame is given to any kind of service that the state government provides to the people. Sangma also said that the bill provides punitive action against officials for the delay in providing information to the public.
This particular bill, which will be put up in the Assembly this time for voting to become an act, will ensure and is being done with the objective of making sure that a specific timeline and a time frame is given for any kind of service that the government provides to the people. For example, when you go and apply for caste certificate, then this bill will ensure, this act will ensure that it is given to the people within a specific time period of say 5 days or 7 days. And all other kind of services like driver's license or other kind of registrations. So now with this act in place, the officials who are in the position to give this these particular services and the certificates and necessary other service that is to be given, they will be liable now and punishable if the particular service is not given within a specific period of time. So this will ensure that the overall delivery of service improves at the grassroots level for the people in general.